Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start reading B of 7th class English of first lesson. First lesson reading B we are going to start from this video. There are two poems like two topics. In the reading A we have discussed that town mouse and the country mouse. Now in reading B we are going to discuss town child and country child. Okay, country child next we'll be discussing. Now town child, let's start. I live in a town. I live in a town. So where does the town child live? In a town. I live in a town, in a street. It is crowded with traffic. So the street is crowded with traffic, with many vehicles. With many vehicles, the crowded with traffic, the street in the town. And feet means here people, and with people, feet means people. Okay, next, there are buses and motors and trams. Means in the town there will be, on the road there will be buses, lorries, cars, like that. But the town child, but the town child want to have meadows and lambs. Means like in the village we can see that like small farms or huts, like that will be, no, the town child wanted to live there, like that. Okay, next, this is the first stanza. Next, let's see second stanza. The houses all wait in a row. Means all the houses all wait in a row, means in a line wise, in a straight line, like that. There is smoke everywhere that I go. Why there is smoke? Because of vehicles. Okay, because of vehicles there is much smoke. Wherever the town child goes, there is smoke, it seems, he's saying. And I don't like the noises I hear. Means vehicles, the sound made by vehicles, like horn, like that. Okay, the town child does not like these noises. I wish there were woods very near. Means without the noises and vehicles, the town child wants to have woods and very near. Means like here in the picture we are seeing that, like this. Okay. Okay. So see here, this is town. Okay, this is town. The town child is thinking. To have the countryside, means the village side. Okay, town child is thinking to have village side. Okay, this village. Okay, next. The third. This is second stanza. Now let's see third stanza. Third stanza. There is only one thing that I love. So only one thing is there for the town child to love, that thing. What is that thing? Let's see. And that is the sky far above. There is plenty of room in the blue for castles of clouds and me too. Means here the town child likes only the sky. See, this is the sky, no? So the town child only like the sky because there will be no noise in the sky and there is plenty of room in the blue means full of blue, everything of blue, like that. For castles means for places, means like place like for place of clouds, and me too. For example, we have houses in the sky, the clouds have that. The town child is completed. Now let's see the country child. Town child is completed. Let's see country child. So the country child is quite opposite the town child. Okay, quite opposite. Okay, my home is a house near a wood. I'd live in a street if I could. Means in the town there will be no lorries like that, there will be no sound, and many houses also will be not there like buildings like that in the country, or okay, in the country. So the here see, you can see here that in the picture this is the countryside, and this is a small street, we can say that very small street. Okay, he wishes to have a like town side. See, okay, next, the lanes are so quiet. Oh dear, oh dear. I do wish that same someone lived near. Means some many people will be not living in the countryside. He is thinking that I beside my houses there would be many people. See, I do wish that someone lived near. Means many people will be not there in the countryside. Okay. Next, the lanes are so quiet means the streets we can say. The streets are so quiet in the countryside because there will be no traffic, no, that's why. Lanes means you can say streets. Next, there is no one to play at all. The trees are so high and so tall. So in the village, by the sentence we can know that in the village there will be not so many people there. That's why they are saying the countryside is child is saying that there is no one to play at all. The trees are so high and so tall, and I should be lonely for hours. Lonely means single. Okay, where it not for the birds and the flowers means only the country child and the people should be live lonely for the hours in the countryside, not for the birds and flowers, because birds flew away, they flew away anywhere, so they does not be lonely, like that they wrote. Okay, like that the countryside wrote. Next, let's see third stanza. I wish that I lived in a town to see all the trams going down. A twinkling street that's bright with wonderful colors at night. So the country child, see, the country child wants to live in town, but the town child wants to live in country. This is quite opposite. Okay, that's I to see all the trams going down means vehicles. Okay, vehicles going down the bridges. See here. See, bridges, vehicles going down. This is bridge, down the bridge and up the bridge, like that. He is thinking. The author of the poem is Ernie Thompson. What? Ernie Thompson. The country child. Country child and town child. Both Irene Thompson only wrote. See. This is a country town child. This is country child. Irene Thompson. Next, the poem is completed. Let's see glossary. Okay. Let's see glossary. So feet. First one is feet. See, I have said in the town child. In the poem town child, I said this. The houses all wait in a row. Above in the first paragraph, it is crowded with traffic and feet. See here, it is crowded with traffic and feet. The word feet means, see, the word feet means people who walk in the streets. People. Okay. Next, tram. An electric vehicle that transports people in cities. I said tram means like buses, vehicles. That. Meadow. A field with grass and often wild flowers. So the town child thinks that there would be meadows and lands. Okay. See. Here. There would be meadows and lambs very near. Meadows and lambs. So the word meadows. The word meadows means, word meadow means a field with grass. A field with grass and often wild flowers. Means like farm, we can say. Castle. A large strong building. A large strong building. Next, lane. A narrow road in the countryside or in a town. Next, twinkling. Shining strongly and then weakly. Like example is star. Star. Okay. That's all for the video. In the next video, we'll be discussing about further bits. Okay. In this video, we have covered that the poem. We have started B reading, that is poem. Town child and the country child is finished. And we have explained glossary. In the next video, we will be discussing about question answers and further bits. Thank you.